Hello guys, today we are going to read the story The Strongest One. Little Red Ant lived in a hole under the big rock with all his relatives. One day, the little red ant decided to go outside and find who was the strongest. Everyone was telling the little red ant to be careful as they are very tiny and anyone can step on them. I have a question for you guys. Why Little Red Ant wanted to go outside? Amazing! Little Red Ant went outside and began to walk. As she walked, snow began to fall. She decided to ask Snow if she was the strongest. To which Snow replied she wasn't the strongest. She said sun was stronger than her because it shines and melts her away. Let's see who got this answer. Why is sun stronger than snow? Very good. Amazing. Then the red little ant asked the sun if he was the strongest. The sun said he wasn't the strongest. He mentioned that wind was the strongest because he blows clouds across the sky and they cover him. Let's see. Who you think is stronger than the sun? Tell me. Do you think you have the answer? Very good. Here we will find out who is strongest than the sun. Later, Little Red Ant asked Wind if he was the strongest and he replied he wasn't the strongest. Who you think could be stronger than Wind? Very good. Wind said House was the strongest because he couldn't move it when he blows. Did you get the answer right? If you didn't, don't worry, it's okay. If you had it, very good. The red little ant then went and asked home, "Are you the strongest one?" She said, and she wasn't the strongest one. Mouse is stronger than me because he makes holes through my walls, said the house. Tell me, why is Mouse stronger than House? Did you pay attention? That's the correct answer. Okay, next student. What do you think is going to happen next? That could happen. Alright, let's find out. Let's keep reading the lesson. After that, the red little ant met the mouse and asked him if he was the strongest, but he said he wasn't the strongest. Mouse said that the strongest was Cat because he chases him and if he catches him, Cat will eat him. Let's see who got this answer. Why is Cat stronger than Mouse? That's a good answer. Okay, let's see. Who could be stronger than Cat? Do you know? Very good answer. Let's see if it is true. The red little ant ran into Cat and asked him if he was the strongest. But one more time he wasn't the strongest. Cat said Stick was stronger than him because when it hit him, he gets scared and run away. Tell me, why is Stick stronger than Cat? Do you know? Very good answer. You are right. The red little ant ran into Stick and asked if he was the strongest. But just like other times, Stick said he wasn't the strongest. Stick said that fire was stronger than him because when he is put into fire, he burns down. Let's see who got this answer. How is fire stronger than Stick? I just said it. Very good answer. Who do you think could be stronger than fire? It could be. That's a great guess. Let's find out. The red little ant went to ask Fire if he was the strongest, but he said he wasn't. He said water was stronger than him because when it is poured on him, it kills him. Little Red Ant went to Water to ask if he was the strongest. Tell me, who is stronger than Fire? Very good answer. You are right. You are paying attention, definitely. Water said he wasn't the strongest. But tell me, who could be stronger than water? Maybe us? Maybe rain? Maybe the clouds? Tell me. Great answer. He said Deer was stronger than him because he can drink him. The red little ant kept looking for the forest for the strongest. He went to find Deer and asked him if he was the strongest, but once again he wasn't. Deer said Arrow was the strongest. But tell me, who could be stronger than Arrow? You should know. You may know. Do you have any guess? If not, it's okay. We will keep going. Let's see. Let's find out who could be stronger than Arrow. Red Little Ant asked Arrow if he was the strongest. But one more time she didn't get the answer she was expecting. Arrow said Big Rock was the strongest because Big Rock breaks him when he hits him. Red Little Ant went to ask Big Rock if he was the strongest, and surprisingly, he said that ants were the strongest. What? Red Little Ant went back home where everyone was waiting for her and shared what she learned from the visit. She said she learned that everything is stronger than something else, and even small ants are in a way the strongest of all. Surprisingly, right? Who can tell me what does Red Little Ant learn? What? Can you repeat that? Very good, very good. The end.